Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windows 11 installation error 0x80070103 on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of issue, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Here in settings phase, from the left side go to Windows Update and pause update once. Click on pause update and pause for 1 week, choose here, and after some times resume them. So pause and resume Windows update through Windows settings. This is the first and initial workaround, and try to install Windows latest update and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again right click on start button, choose settings. Here from the left side go to Windows update and from the right side go to update history. Here look for any faulty or uncompleted Windows update. If you find any, then simply select it and remove it, or note that KV update and manually download and install that Windows latest update. Also go back on the same page and go to advanced options, scroll down, here choose optional updates, and if any optional update available, simply download and install it in your system. And don't forget to restart your system and check whether your Windows installation update error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win+R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type services.msc. Click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Here under available services, look for Windows Update Services, scroll down and navigate Windows Update Services. Windows Update Services, right click on it and first choose start, and if you already found it in a start mode, then restart Windows Update Services. Thereafter scroll up and choose Windows Installer Services, apply a double click on it to open its properties, and if you found it in the start mode, then start it. And finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot and here choose other troubleshooters. Here run Windows Update Troubleshoot. Click on run and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. And if any issue found, it will notify you and accordingly take action. The next workaround is again go to Windows search and type cmd. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes, and in command prompt Windows execute first these 3 dism tool one by one. Execute this 3 dism tool one by one: dism online scanhealth, dism online checkhealth, dism online restorehealth. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each times, and thereafter execute these Windows Update components one by one, followed by enter key on each times. First, stop these 4 services one by one. Don't forget to press enter on each entry. There is a lot of list available here, Windows Update components. So execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time. All this command path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there. Simply copy it and paste it in command prompt windows. Thereafter execute this network related command, and finally start all those 4 services which you have earlier stopped them. So execute all these Windows Update components one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows, and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And after that, restart your system. Your problem should definitely be resolved. If not, manually download and install latest update. Open your Chrome browser, and here in search field type Microsoft Update Catalog. Open it. Open first result, Microsoft Update Catalog, and here manually download and install your Windows latest update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Type the desired KB update here and click on search. All its related results will available. Simply download and install manually in your system. That's all.